The internal temperature readings are stable on the last shipment.
Confirmed. The automated flow rate is optimal. The infrared thermal scan verifies optimal internal body temperature, an advanced quality control step ensuring the
Heritage grade criteria confirmed. Authorization approved.
Commencing primary processing sequence.
At this crucial junction, automated systems prepare for the separation of primary meat production from secondary byproducts.
The automated probe confirms an optimal pH of 5.8, essential for ensuring consistency in flavor and texture.
That one's got a tear on the breast.
Okay, pulling it now.
The labeled packages pass over a dynamic check weigher, ensuring the net weight precisely matches the actual weight.
Utilizing high-temperature cleaning agents, the raw material undergoes sterilization, removing all biological residue for high-grade textile filling.
The laser-based density analyzer measures the loft and thermal insulation of the down, ensuring premium standards are met.
The dry material is air-blown into the cylindrical blending chamber, ensuring absolute consistency in color.
Our specialized dust filtration system captures microscopic particulate matter, ensuring the finished down is high.
The refined, fluffy turkey down passes through a final station where it receives a fine mist of an antimicrobial
Once the bale is formed under intense pressure, heavy-duty industrial plastic is tightly wrapped around the block, ensuring consistency and protection. The precise stitching ensures durability and traps the valuable down securely inside, completing the manufacturing cycle into a consumer-ready item.
The loft seems excellent on this batch.
Confirm the weight is consistent with the specs. The culmination of meticulous design, free-range bronze turkey down, bringing sustainable luxury to your sanctuary.
Demonstrating the robust quality of the fiber structure, these pillows quickly regain their shape after impact, emphasizing longevity.
Stacked high in busy international stores, these products demonstrate our successful global logistics and market presence. Meticulously crafted, the Heritage Bronze Down represents the pinnacle of luxury, ensuring an unparalleled experience in the world's finest suites.
A newly filled down jacket, plump with the turkey down, is placed into a small, automated press that momentarily compresses.
Wow, this is incredibly light.
I know, and look how warm it is.
Yeah.
The loft is amazing.
When facing the elements, the Heritage Down Jacket offers ultimate protection, utilizing our free-range bronze turkey down.
The Heritage Turkey Down project has redefined sustainability. The market response to the new apparel line has been overwhelmingly positive.
Even after long periods of compression, the free-range bronze retains its exceptional loft. We utilize high